Hello and welcome to Fitness Planet. In this video, we'll be talking about free fitness apps that can help you track your progress, stay motivated, and reach your fitness goals. First, let's talk about the importance of using fitness apps. These apps can be a great tool for tracking your workouts, monitoring your progress, and staying motivated. Many of them offer features like workout plans, video tutorials, and progress tracking, making it easy to stay on track with your fitness journey. In addition to helping you track your progress, fitness apps can also be a more affordable and convenient alternative to hiring a personal trainer. With a wide range of free apps available, you can find one that fits your needs and preferences without breaking the bank. Some popular free fitness apps include Strava, MyFitnessPal, Swearkit, Fitbit, Freeletics, Funkeeper, Hefeet, Daily Yoga, and Home Workout No Equipment. Each of these apps offers its own unique features and benefits, so it's worth trying out a few to see which one works best for you. One app that we particularly like is the Pro app. This app offers a wide range of features including workout tutorials, a home page with all your workouts, and even hydration suggestions. Of course, everyone's needs are different, so it's important to find an app that works for you. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in finding the right free fitness app for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to Fitness Planet for more great content on all things fitness.